Welcome, dear colleagues. If you want to know how easy it can be to plan your entire patient case, from diagnosis over bone management and implant insertion to final prosthetic treatment with X-Mind Trium CBCT, then this course is for you. If you want to know how it really feels to execute the CBCT-based digital planning with minimal invasive, bone-preserving, and easy-to-learn piezo-tone surgery, then this course is for you. My name is Angelo Troedhan. I'm teaching craniomaxillofacial surgery and implantology at my universities, and currently I'm the president of the International Academy of Ultrasonic Surgery and Implantology. In the upcoming workshop, I will guide you through the CBCT-based digital workflow step by step, as well as in the surgical execution with piezo-tone surgery, from tooth extraction with immediate implant placement up to minimal invasive and easy to learn and safe piezo-tone surgical procedures such as crest splitting and piezo-tone sinus lifting. I'm looking forward to meet you in my workshop. See you there.